What are you doing?
Long time no see. Well, no snow here. It's gonna look a little different in this video, but it's probably the last snowmobile trip of the year. Got to borrow a friend of mine's pretty sweet ride and go out and do a little bropping, and yeah, after this we'll probably get back to some more four-wheeling. Definitely the old Sportster, because that's about to get the old 1275 kit, new tires, all the other little things it needs, because it is riding season. But yeah, here's a little snowmobile edit. Check it out. Thanks for watching.
A good week.
Only people around. Oh shit. About it.
I won't worry about a cat feet. Up on that thing. It's really good.
Oh, ejectocito!
That's way too.
That little green tube that's like pulled out.
Let me hit that trail. I'm getting the fuck off.
Don't let off.
Man, this snowmobile, it's like the perfect all-around snowmobile. And I don't do it justice riding it, that's for sure. Danny up there would drive it like needed to. Holy crap. What?
Go ahead, go to the next intersection.
bike. Woo, that thing's rowdy. Oh man. Probably gonna lose battery here soon, but this has been a hell of a good time. Hell of a good time. This sled is so friggin' good. Just about everything I've done. Yeah, it doesn't have a big paddle track on it, but 1.6 is plenty. I've climbed bigger hills than I've ever climbed before on a sled. Thing does it. I call it that quintessential crossover sled for sure. Especially this new Matrix chassis. Oh my goodness. I'm usually pretty Articat side of things, but oh, look at him go. Oh yeah, I'm a mountaineer. Maybe not. Usually never in the back of the pack whenever we go anywhere. Jesus Christ! I saw snow and then the bottoms of his feet. I'm like, oh, holy shit.
What happened?
good one.
Ready?
Here, yeah.
Steady. In a heap. 2, 3. Hold on. 2, 3. 1, 2. Oh, hold on. No, keep pushing.
Oh yeah, ran it over him? No, I thought I ran over him. His sled was over here. I pushed his sled.
Your arm okay? You want McGillicuddies or what?
You guys going all over the place.
Well, that was scary. You never like to see your buddy go down. You're riding his snowmobile. What a pretty little sunset though.
Thanks for watching. Welcome to Pete's Performance. Come again.